The deep blue water guards the secrets of this massive military aircraft, lost for nearly 80 years. The first step in restoration is securing the structure. Here we see the team rapidly erecting the complex scaffolding required for the heavy work ahead.
Scan complete.
The ROV begins its descent into the crushing depths, searching for remnants of the past. As the light cuts through the darkness, the massive scale of this lost engine becomes clear. It has waited here for over 70 years.
70 meters down, the true scale of the task becomes clear. This isn't just a recovery operation, it's an
decades lost to the deep blue, the aircraft's tail still bears the mark of the U.S. Air Force. A remarkable discovery.
Our mission is to recover these lost war machines. This particular wreck, encrusted over the years,
Rested. This massive fuselage, resting on the sandy seabed, reveals the staggering cost of the conflict. This star insignia confirms the identity of the aircraft, a crucial step in the restoration. Using advanced green laser technology, the team meticulously scans the fuselage for the first time since it was lost.
The discovery of this aircraft changes everything we knew about the incident.
Deep beneath the waves, the team finally located the wreckage. The sheer scale of the discovery is awe-inspiring.
This heavily corroded cable once powered the main guns of the battleship. Now, the ROV must secure it before the lift can begin.
Hidden for decades, the tail of the war machine begins to emerge from the murky depths as the ROV clears the seabed. Deep beneath the waves, the remains of a forgotten conflict are finally coming to light, providing a rare glimpse into these lost war machines.
Deep beneath the waves, the recovery operation begins. This massive yellow rope will secure the lost machine.
To recover the lost war machine, the team must first secure the heavy lift crane to the seabed.
The ROV meticulously maneuvers the support grid into position, securing the first section of the fuselage for recovery.
The first stage of the project is the most critical, securing the artifacts of a forgotten war from the crushing depths.
Deep beneath the waves, the team begins the meticulous process of attaching the lift bags. The lift bags are inflating, using powerful compressed air to break the suction and lift the massive fuselage from the ocean floor.
Hydraulic systems engage, extending the massive landing struts. The aircraft makes contact, stabilizing on the sandy ocean floor. Securing the lift bags is a critical first step in resurrecting these lost war machines.
Steady as she goes. We're clear of the water. Roger that. Keep the tension on the main cables.
This massive crater marks the spot where the legendary Dragon bomber rested for decades before the recovery operation began. Pulled from its watery grave, the aircraft begins its long ascent. This is the first time it has seen light in over 70 years.
After decades lost to the deep ocean, the massive war machine begins its slow ascent towards the surface. The crane operator begins the long descent. Soon, we will see what secrets the deep blue holds.
Hoist the load. Watch your clearance. Bring it down slow now. Easy, easy. And stop.
After decades underwater, the sheer weight of the corrosion makes this incredibly difficult to maneuver.
Maintain course heading, bring it up slow, we have clear water. Roger that, steady as she goes.
The colossal war machine breaks the surface for the first time in 80 years.
Decades lost beneath the waves, this magnificent war machine now begins its dramatic ascent, pulled by the precise power of modern engineering.
All right, bring it down easy. Watch your spacing on the left. And set it down, clear.
Lower it steady now, watch the cables.
Copy that, coming down slow.
Clear on the port side, keep it coming.
Meticulous documentation of the decay is the first step in bringing this machine back to life.
Decades underwater left their mark, but the restoration process begins with meticulous high-pressure cleaning.
now! It's slipping! Hold the line!
I've got it! Keep pulling on your end! Hold the line!
I've got it! Pull!
Watch the wind, gust! Against all odds, the 70-ton bomber is finally salvaged from the deep, beginning its long voyage to the restoration hangar.
Recovered from the depths, this relic of a forgotten conflict now heads for restoration, its secrets waiting to be revealed.
Recovering the lost war machine is only the first step. The perilous voyage across the open ocean proves to be a challenge in itself.
After decades lost beneath the waves, the war machine returns to the surface world. Pulled from the depths, the colossal war machine begins its final journey through the harbor under the cover of night. After decades lost beneath the waves, the recovery of the Corsair is a testament to meticulous planning and heavy industry.
After nearly 80 years, the Flying Fortress returns to the light. Every inch of movement is meticulously planned.
All units, maintain tight formation. We are approaching the designated offload zone. Over.
Easy now, watch the clearance. Bring her into the light, hold position in 3, 2, 1.
Decades underwater have left their mark. This high-pressure wash is the first step in bringing this war machine back to life.
The high-pressure wash is the first critical step in revealing the hidden machinery beneath decades of mud and grime.
The specialized foam immediately gets to work, its active agents bubbling aggressively as they bind to the oxidized metal.
We're seeing some inconsistent drying patterns right here. Yep, yeah?
Let me check the schematics. We might need to adjust the heat lamps on the lower quadrant.
Keep the tension up.
It's breaking free. Clear the area below.
Easy now, bring it up slow. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Hold it there. A little to the left, keep it coming up.
The engine block alone weighs nearly 20 tons. Lowering it into the bay requires absolute precision.
Restoring these war machines requires meticulous attention to detail.
After decades underwater, the salvaged war machine requires extensive restoration, starting with the fuselage.
Ease it down, easy now. Watch your clearance on the left.
All right, hold it. Secured.
Restoring these lost war machines requires meticulous precision. Every rivet must be perfectly placed to ensure the structural integrity of the wing.
Steady, steady. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Roger. Coming in slow.
And lock.
Restoring these giants requires absolute precision. The technicians use a torque wrench to ensure the new
Hold steady. We need to align the seal perfectly.
Okay, it looks good on my side. Go ahead.
The first step is always the preparation. We have to strip away the damage before we can rebuild.
The restoration process begins with an intense chemical bath, meticulously removing decades of corrosion and grime from the salvaged engine parts.
The ultraviolet lamp reveals the hidden stress fractures in the titanium. It's a critical step in determining if these blades can be saved.
After decades underwater, these delicate ball bearings require a specialized synthetic oil to prevent seizing.
After decades submerged, the main gear is finally seated, a critical step in bringing this lost war machine back to life.
The precision required for these heritage components is microscopic. Every golden vein must align perfectly within the housing.
Meticulous work is required to connect the high-pressure fuel lines to the massive engine block, ensuring the resurrected war machine runs flawlessly.
watch the clearance on the mount. Copy that, coming down slowly. Looks good, keep going.
The critical phase of the engine restoration is underway. We are proceeding with the power test.
Weighing over 20 tons, these relics of a bygone era are meticulously moved across the tarmac, soon ready to fly again.
Securing the primary suspension spring requires absolute precision. Once seated, the locking pins are driven home, restoring the machine's formidable strength.
The specialized carbon fiber brake disc is carefully aligned. Precision is paramount to ensure the machine's integrity. Restoring these war machines requires absolute precision. Every wire and every connection must be flawless.
Main systems online. All green on diagnostics.
Confirmed. Pressure holding steady. We are flight ready.
After decades lost at sea, the machine is finally returning home for restoration.
Make sure that latch is secure. Roger that. Applying torque now. Check the next bay. All right, hold it there. Clear on the right. Ready for tie down.
Command, this is Pilot 1. Radio check, over.
This autonomous cleaning drone is the first step in restoring the legendary aircraft, preparing the massive cargo bay for the meticulous work ahead. After years submerged, the colossal war machine emerges from the hangar, painstakingly restored and ready for the next phase.
The restoration process begins here, meticulously recreating the precise shade of desert yellow used on the armored vehicles.
Hold at the yellow line. Clear the starboard wing. We have clearance, keep it slow.
The sheer scale of these Cold War relics demands meticulous handling. Every bolt, every hydraulic line.
This colossal war machine, salvaged from the deep, now sees the light of day once more.